In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Firefox to help with your mobile learning. And I have one of these for each of the main browsers. So in Firefox, what we're going to do is we're going to right-click and we're going to go to Inspect Element. And down here at the bottom, you're going to see it opens up this window with a bunch of the website or e-learning courses code. We don't really care about that. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here. You'll see this little icon that looks like a mobile phone. We're going to just click on that, and that's going to resize this in kind of a responsive view. What you'll notice, there's a lot of options up here. You can do a search to find out more about what those things mean. The main thing I want to show you is that you can see what it looks like by the resolution or aspect ratio. Right now we're just doing a 320 by 480. But you can click on here. You can see there's a whole list of common or popular devices. So let's say you want to see what it looks like on the iPhone 6. You can see what's nice, again, you get the aspect ratio here. So if you're building courses and you need the device resolution, you can find these right here in the browser. And then you can see what it looks like in portrait and landscape mode, and then go through that and see how that actually responds to the device. And so that's how you would preview that in the Firefox browser. One other thing, if you click down here, you can go to Edit List, and then you can see there's a whole list of other devices. So it's just a matter of what you want. If you can't find anything, you can always add your own device here. So hopefully that helps you with some of your course design and just at least previewing the courses and kind of seeing how they would look through an emulator.